Today I am reviewing the GMKtec G2 Plus Mini Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with performance. At the heart of this mini computer lies the 2025 Intel Twin Lake N150 processor, a quad-core, 4-thread chip with speeds up to 3.6 GHz. It's a refined evolution of the popular Alder Lake N100, offering around 10% better performance overall and up to 15% faster speeds than the older Intel N95. In real-world use, that translates to snappy application launches, smooth multitasking, and efficient processing for everyday computing tasks, whether you're managing documents, attending video calls, or even doing light photo editing. Paired with 12 GB of DDR5 RAM, clocked at up to 4,800 megatransfers per second, the system feels fluid even with multiple tabs and apps open. This is especially impressive for a mini PC in this price range. You can open spreadsheets, stream 4K content, and browse the web without a hint of lag. It's the kind of performance most home users will find more than sufficient for daily tasks. Storage is equally strong. The built-in 512GB M.2 SSD offers super fast boot times and lightning-quick file access. Whether you're saving large media files, installing business software, or managing personal data, the SSD ensures there's no slowdown. And with Windows or Linux support, you're free to set up the system however you like. Let's talk visuals. This GMKtec Mini PC features Intel UHD graphics with 24 execution units, capable of driving 4K resolution at 60 Hz across 3 displays simultaneously. That's right, triple 4K display support. With 2 HDMI ports and 1 DisplayPort, this PC is ready for productivity multitaskers, home theaters, and digital signage setups. The visual experience is sharp, fluid, and perfect for content streaming, casual gaming, or detailed photo editing. Connectivity is another area where the GMKtec Mini PC shines. You get dual Gigabit Ethernet ports for reliable wired networking, plus Wi-Fi 6 support for ultra-fast wireless connections. Wi-Fi 6 delivers faster speeds, lower latency, and improved bandwidth, especially useful in multi-device homes or offices. Add in Bluetooth 5.2, and you can easily connect wireless peripherals like headphones, keyboards, and speakers with low latency and high stability. For those concerned about ports, the G2 Plus mini computer is well equipped with 3 USB 3.2 ports, each supporting transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second. Whether you're connecting external drives, webcams, or other accessories, you won't feel limited. Cooling is smartly handled with a quiet upgraded fan system, ensuring the PC runs cool without turning into a noise machine. This makes a great choice for work-from-home setups or quiet study environments. Another subtle but very welcome feature is its energy efficiency. Drawing significantly less power than traditional desktop towers, it's an environmentally conscious choice that won't spike your electricity bill, even if left on 24/7 as a small server, media hub, or remote workstation. Lastly, it's worth highlighting GMKtec's strong customer support and warranty service. You get a 1-year warranty covering defects due to manufacturing or design, and their after-sale support team is known for being responsive and helpful. That's added peace of mind for your investment. In summary, the GMKtec Mini PC with Intel N150, 12 GB DDR5 RAM, and 512 GB SSD stands out as one of the best value mini computers in 2025. It's perfect for office tasks, remote work, light creative projects, streaming, and everyday use. Quiet, efficient, and surprisingly powerful. This is a mini PC that over-delivers at its price point. If you're looking for a reliable, future-proof, and space-saving desktop solution, the GMKtec N150 deserves serious consideration.